Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In the previous videos we have learned how to use MS Word interface. If you didn't watch my previous video, you can watch it from the link given in the description below. Before watching the video, please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon so you will get my new upcoming videos. So to begin, first thing I'm going to show you is how to open a blank page. So I click on this search bar, I type MS Word. When I type MS Word, I get Word 2013 on the top. Now a new window appears. Here I will select blank document. When I click on blank document, I get a Word interface. So this is called Word interface. Now you can see on the top is the menu bar. Above menu bar is title bar. So we will discuss today what is given in the menu bar. So we can see that there are tabs: file, home, insert, design, page layout, references. So we will see these tabs one by one. So let's see. The first thing I see here is home tab. Home tab is divided into 5 sections: clipboard, font, paragraph, styles, editing. So these are 5 sections given in home tab. Today we will discuss clipboard and font, all the features given on clipboard and font. So on home tab, if we see here is clipboard. You have a clipboard, it essentially means we could take items and text that is on your page within your document and we can add them to the clipboard. For example, let's say I have this text. First, I have to select this text. Then, what I could do with clipboard is I could highlight. Highlight means I could select. First, I have to select this text. Then, I have to cut. So, I will cut from clipboard. Now you can see that there is no more text. Again, I have to return back this text. So I will paste it. Cut, paste. Shortcut key for paste is Ctrl V. So here, when I press Ctrl V from keyboard, the text returns. Okay. Then the next option is copy. So again, I have to select this text. When I select this text, I have to copy this text. So I will click on copy. Again, I have to paste this text. I will go down and press paste. You can see that the text is copied now. So in this way, you can cut, copy and paste your text. Next option is font. Font means here I can change the way my text looks. So I select this sentence. First I have to select the sentence. When I select this sentence, I can change the style of this sentence. So to change style, I will select this option. I will click on this arrow. Here are multiple options. You can select any one of your own choice. So here I select Verdana. So this is a style. Again, I select the text and pick another style. So I pick Times New Roman. So you can see that the style of the text or font is changed now. So here you can change the style of your text. Next option is change font size or text size. So again, first we have to select the text. I select this text and now I will go to the font size. Here from this arrow below, I can select any one point. It starts from 8 and ends at 72. So the smaller size is 8 and the larger one is 72. You can pick any one of these. So I choose 28. You can see the 26. You can see that the size gets larger. Again, I select here and choose 36. You can see that the font size is larger. Now, the next option is bold. When I place cursor on B, you can see that here it is written bold, and shortcut key for bold is Control B. So first I select the text I want to bold. I select these words. When I select these words, then I have to click on bold. You can see that the text gets highlighted. The text gets bold now. Again, using shortcut key, I select this text and press Ctrl B from keyboard. You can see that the text is bold now. Now the next option is italic. I want to make my text little bit slanting. So I will click on this option. I will select my text first. Let's say I select this sentence. Then I click on this I icon. Control plus I is the shortcut key. So you can see that my text gets slanting now. Again, I select this sentence and I use shortcut key Control I. Now you can see that here it is italicized. Next option is underline. Underline your text. So how can we underline our text? So same, first I have to select my text. I select my text, then I click on this arrow. This arrow gives you further options like single line, double line, dotted lines. So these are different options of lines. We can pick any one of these. We select double line. So you can see that the text is underlined now. We can check more options of underline. Here I go. I select dotted line. So you can see that the text is dotted line and dotted underline now. Next option here is text highlight. How can we highlight our text? When I move cursor on this, you can see that it says text highlight color. So if you want to highlight a special word or heading, so we can highlight, first we have to select. Then I go on this arrow. Here I can choose any color. Let's say I choose green. So you can see that the text gets highlighted now. We can choose another color. Again, we go on this arrow, we select blue color. Now you can see that the text gets highlighted. Now, next option is font color. If we want to change the color of my text or font, again, first I select the text. Here, I go down. Now, I select this text. When I select this text, next I go on this arrow. When I click on this arrow, here different colors are available. I can choose any one of them. Let's say I choose red color. Now you can see that the color of font or text is changed now. So again, I pick another color. First I select the text. I go on this arrow, font color. I choose any color, like let's say I choose blue. So you can see that the text color or font color is changed now. So in this way you can change the font color, the text highlight color, you can bold the text, you can italicize the text, you can underline the text. So these were the options. Next option is, that is very important, change case. Change the selected text to uppercase, lowercase, sentence case, toggle case, or capitalize each word. So how can you do this? Same. First, I select the text. Here. This text is selected now. I'll go on this option. Here I choose first sentence case. Sentence case means only the first letter of first word will be capitalized. So when I select sentence case, here you can see that the first word is in and the first letter is I, which is capital now. Again, I select this and I go on this option and choose lowercase. Now you can see that all the letters are small. The first letter was word was in, and now you can see that I is also small. Again, I select this and I go for uppercase. When I click on uppercase, you can see that now all the words are capital. So this is how can you capitalize every word. Again, I select this option, select this sentence and I go for capitalize each word. So here you can see that the first letter of every word is capital now. So in this way you can capitalize each word. The last option is toggle case. In toggle case, the first letter of every word will be small and all the letters will be capital. So when I choose this sentence, I select this sentence and I choose this option toggle case. You can see that the first letter is small of every word and all other letters are capital. So these are the options of change case. So that's all for this video. In my next video, I will discuss next option of HomeTab, that is paragraph formatting. So keep watching.